Hello guys, hello everyone, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I'm going to cook vegetable okra soup, you guys. So as you guys can see, I just add some salt into the okra because I usually wash my okra with salt. Okay, you guys, so that is what I just did here. I'm going to make sure that the okra is very well cleaned and washed, you guys. So here I'm going to be slicing it. You guys, I slice this okra in different sizes, okay? Yeah, I slice this in different sizes. There are the one that I slice very small, and there are others that I slice a little more bigger, okay? Yep, you guys, that is what I'm doing here. I said let me show you guys how I make my delicious yummy vegetable okra soup, you guys. So keep on watching, and I hope you like this video. Thank you guys for always being here. So you guys, after slicing this okra like this, as you guys can see, you can see the sizes, right? Yeah. So yeah, after slicing it, I'm going to slice my vegetable, which is spinach. I'm going to be using spinach, you guys. So I also add a little bit of salt into the water that I'm going to use to clean the spinach, you guys. As you guys can see, I'm going to make sure that I clean it very well. Okay, you guys. Yeah, after washing it this way, I'm going to slice it. I'm going to slice it just as I slice the okra, you guys. Yeah, I'm going to be slicing it like so. Guys, this soup is very easy to make. It does not take much time. The only thing that will take your time when you are cooking this soup is your protein. Okay, when you are cooking your protein, it's the only thing that will take a little bit of your time. Yeah, for the soup it is very easy. When you have your protein already cooked, it is very easy to make this vegetable okra soup, you guys. Yeah, this is one of my daughter's favorite soup. She loves it. She loves anything slimy, any soup slimy. Be it okra, be it ogbono. She loves it, you guys. You know, I believe most children love okra soup for swallow because it's more easier for them to swallow with okra or ogbono than other soups, you guys. Yeah, so these are my protein, you guys. This is the protein that I'm going to use. I just add some seasoning cube, then I add a little bit of onion. Okay, so I cover that to cook. Now I have my stockfish. This is the head of stockfish that I'm going to use, you guys. You know, we call this thing okporoko in our local language, or zaba. Yeah, I know people call it zaba. Why people call it okporoko, you guys? But in English they call it stockfish. Yeah, so I'm going to add that into my protein because stockfish is a little bit hard, right, to cook. So I just add it to the protein so that everything will just cook together. Yeah, that is what I'm doing here. Yep, you guys, so I'm going to cover that up to cook, add a little bit of water, then cover it to cook. Okay, you guys. Yeah, guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, you guys. Let's be friends. Okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys know that I post a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, different type of videos, cooking videos, you know. Yeah, lifestyle videos, shopping videos. Those are the videos that I post on my YouTube channel, you guys. Please subscribe. Okay, so yeah, I have my fresh fish. I have my fresh fish right here. I'm going to cut that. Okay, I'm going to cut the fish like so, to the sizes that I want it to be. So after cutting it, I'm going to clean it very well, guys. I love taking time to clean my fish, you guys. Okay, so after doing that, I check on the protein that is cooking the other side. Yeah, so I also add in some cow legs because I have that cow legs. I already cooked that cow leg in night before I cook this soup to save time, you guys. So I've already cooked that cow leg before, a night before the day I cook the soup. You know, you guys know that cow leg is a very hard protein to cook. So yeah, help you guys. That is what I'm doing here. So yeah, the protein is well cooked. I'm going to add this fish. Guys, I will also be removing this fish later so that the fish will not break, okay? I'll cook it like this, then later I'll remove it, okay? Because I don't like it when my fish break in the soup. Yep, you guys, here it is. The aroma in the kitchen right now, you guys. So I'm going to remove those fish, okay? Because I don't want the fish to break. That's why I usually remove my fish whenever I'm cooking soup. Okay, you guys. Yeah, here they are. It is well cooked. Okay, so I'm going to cover this one up. I will bring in other pots. Okay. Yeah. So here I'm going to be adding some oil into this pot, you guys. So I will let it. I'll add this oil to this pot. When the oil is hot, I'll bring in some onions to give it, that yummy aroma, you guys. That will give the soup this delicious aroma. Okay, but it is optional, guys. You do not need to add it if you don't want to. Okay, everybody have their own way of cooking their soup. The thing is that we just show it to also show others the method we also use to cook our food. Everybody have his or her own way of cooking their soup. So you guys, I'm going to add this okra into this oil. Okay, I'm going to add it here. Do you know why I'm doing this? This will make your okra to be more slimy. Okay, it will make it to be more slimy. Yeah, so I will stir this okra, stir it and stir it and stir it till we get to the consistency that I want it to be, you guys. So as you can see, this method will make your okra to be more slimy, you guys. This is why I usually do this. Okay, yeah. Help you guys. This is optional. Okay, you can also skip this pattern. Okay, you can cook it whichever way that you want to do it. The most important thing is that the soup at the end will come out delicious and yummy. That is the most important thing, you guys. Okay, whichever way you cook your soup, as long as it is delicious. Yeah. So yeah, I just add the okra into the pot that I'm using for the protein. Yeah, I will stir it and stir it together before I will bring in the spinach, the vegetable leaf, you guys. Look at the color of this soup, so bright, looking so delicious and yummy, you guys. Yeah, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, please don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, all those good stuff, you guys. So I'm just adding the spinach. Just bring in the spinach, you guys. Yep, it's looking so good, so delicious, guys. As you can see, so green. It looks so fresh. This soup was so delicious, you guys. So yeah, thank you all for watching. God bless you. As always, guys, always come back to my YouTube channel. There's always something that you will watch and learn from. Okay, thank you guys. God bless you. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Love you guys. Please subscribe. Okay, bye.